Dad showed you that he had psychic powers when it came to cars. This year, a couple things have changed. I'm driving, Ryan's gotten a little bigger, but the way my dad runs the car repair company is still the same.
This year, rather than doing a Jim Atkinson Automotive Psychic 2, what I've done is put together a few short flicks in our presentation. We talk about the things we've done at the shop, we talk about our staff, and we bring in my dad this year. So I hope you enjoy the Car Repair Company 2012 AAA Top Shop Award presentation. Since you guys were here last year, we've had a few remodeling projects done to the facility. Let me show you what we've done. This is the Car Repair Company's waiting room for our customers. We offer free Wi-Fi, and we have coffee, new furniture, new paint, and a new LED TV. Along with repainting the waiting room, we decided to repaint the customer reception area. And I decided to go with a cool ocean theme. We have Imaginary Day, Surf's Up, and Hang 10. And we got some new plastic flowers. This year at the Car Repair Company, we also replaced all of our lighting. We replaced them with new high energy efficient lighting fixtures. One of the favorite things we did here is we repainted the stairway to my office, and I believe it would definitely be OSHA compliant. To build the yellow stripes, black stairs, definitely trip proof. Sean's crawling around at work. Should I be concerned?
Hi, I'm Ward Atkinson. I'm Jim Atkinson's father. Back in 1979, I was getting ready for retirement from General Motors Chevrolet Engineering in Detroit, and we acquired this piece of property to be an engineering facility. We built this 8-bay facility as an engineering facility for working on and developing products for the automotive industry. In 1980, when we had the property completed, Jack Paveling from AAA approached us about turning this facility into an auto repair facility. At that time, AAA was starting a program of identifying automotive repair shops in the greater Phoenix area. So in 1980, Kelly Clark and myself, we got the group of the 12 facilities together. We started a promotional advertising campaign, which was then used for the next few years. Today, there are only 2 original shops left from the original group of 12 in 1980, and that's Kelly Clark and the Car Repair Company. I still am involved in the engineering business as a consultant for the automotive industry.